Hello dear fans. Why is the South Pole colder than the North? The two opposite ends of the Earth's axis, the South and North Poles, are some of the coldest places on the planet. Although both points receive the minimum amount of solar heat, temperatures are much lower at the South Pole than at the North. Climatic features of the North Pole. The geographic North Pole is located in the Arctic at a distance of 1370 kilometers from Cape Chelyuskin, the northernmost point of the Eurasian continent. In this place, the depth of the Arctic Ocean is about 4,080 meters, and its surface is covered with drifting ice about 3 meters thick. The air temperature at the North Pole in winter varies from -43 degrees Celsius to -26 degrees Celsius, on average about -34 degrees Celsius. In summer, from June to August, the average temperature is around 0 degrees Celsius. Because salty ocean water has a lower freezing point than fresh water, ice begins to melt in this warm climate. From late March to late September, the sun does not set over the North Pole. For the remaining 6 months, the region is in complete darkness. What is the climate at the South Pole? The geographical South Pole is located on the mainland Antarctica in Antarctica and is distant from the South American Cape Horn by 37-34 kilometers. At this point, the thickness of the ice cover is 2,700 meters, and the height above sea level is about 2,830 meters. From June to August, which are the winter months in the southern hemisphere, temperatures at the South Pole remain stable at around -65 degrees Celsius. In spring and autumn it is warmer, about -45 degrees Celsius. In summer, the thermometer shows -25 degrees Celsius. In this place, the sun also shines continuously for 6 months, only from the end of September to the end of March, and the same amount of time is hidden behind the horizon. The lowest temperature recorded at the South Pole is -82.8 degrees Celsius, and the highest is -13.6 degrees Celsius. What factors affect the temperature difference at the poles? Both polar regions receive much less solar energy than the tropics and mid-latitudes. The sun at the poles does not rise more than 23.5 degrees above the horizon, and most of the sunlight is reflected off white surfaces. Nevertheless, the temperature at the South Pole is on average 30 degrees Celsius lower than at the North Pole. This difference in temperature is primarily due to the fact that the South Pole is located in the center of the continental landmass high above sea level, while the North Pole is located in the middle of the ocean at sea level. As the altitude increases, the air temperature decreases. More than 2.5 kilometers makes the South Pole colder than the North. Antarctica is the tallest continent on Earth. An important role is played by the ability of seawater to act as an insulator, absorbing solar heat from the atmosphere in summer and warming cold air in winter. Ocean currents and strong winds drive the ice sheet of the Arctic Ocean. This movement causes large cracks to form, allowing ocean heat to enter the atmosphere. The South Pole does not have such an efficient heat reservoir. The underlying ice sheet, which is colder than ocean water, and mainland land contribute to a colder climate than at the opposite pole. Thanks for watching.